A
A
lot going
lot
on.
of things this weekend.
Ooh, and we're trying to fit it all in between rain.
Exactly, because unfortunately, our bear of the weather is bringing us rain. Thanks a lot.
I didn't bring it, not my fault.
You're just the deliverer.
I just delivered.
So we can't
Don't
really get
kill
mad.
the messenger.
I won't. But
I appreciate it.
I know a lot of people are curious as to when this rain is going to fall. It was kind of spitting out this morning. What are we going to see?
The heaviest rain has so far been more west of us, but it'll continue moving in, and we should hopefully start to see more breaks by late this evening. Again, the better part of the day, so kind of from noon, maybe just before noon until perhaps 6, 7 o'clock, we'll probably see some of the heaviest rainfall. Now we do have one, this is not really in our viewing area per se, but it's a little bit more southwest of us. We do have a flash flood warning. The problem that we're going to run into during the day today is if we see training of rain, and that's kind of what's happening out around New Iberia. You're getting training of some moderate to heavy rainfall. Some of the rainfall rates have been 1 to even 2 inches per hour. And as those showers not necessarily sit in one spot, but just keep moving over the same areas, well, it doesn't give natural drainage any time to do what it's supposed to do, so you get some flooding. Again, we're not expecting widespread flooding by any means, but we do have a flash flood watch in effect for the entire area. Some heavier moderate rainfall moving across now northern and central Tangipahoa Parish, starting to move into Washington Parish, but again, much of the area is still relatively dry. We've had a few little light pop-up showers here and there, but all of this activity is going to continue moving in our direction, so even though it's dry at the moment, the heavier showers will be moving in through the day. Overcast looking toward downtown right now with a temperature mild. We're at 61 degrees, dew point of 60 degrees, and winds out of the east at around 9 miles an hour. Upper 50s and low 60s with high temperatures today probably in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Kind of depends on when the rainfall really starts moving in. Rainfall gets going earlier, we may not hit that high of 70 degrees, but by 3 o'clock this afternoon, parade forecast, we're looking at that 100% chance. So just about everybody in the region will be under some type of rainfall, and some of those will be heavy. We've got the chance of rain about 80% at 7 o'clock, starting to diminish as we get later into the night tonight and more overnight. So folks trying to head out to those evening parades, yeah, rain coverage and chances will be diminishing, but they'll still be there. What's happening is we have this upper trough that's deepening from the central plains, and that is drawing northward this little upper disturbance. This upper disturbance is triggering all of the rainfall. Now, once a front moves on through by Sunday, that should help to kind of sweep all of this activity out. But in fact, we're going to see most of this gone by later this evening and tonight. Maybe a few lingering showers into early tomorrow morning, but the bulk of the rainfall will be done with. Notice the focus for a lot of the rainfall early in the day should be more north shore, and then not really spreading south of the lake and in the metro area until more later this afternoon. By 6 o'clock, starting to see some of that heavier rainfall breaking up, and so hopefully we'll start to at least get some improving condition. But notice our model kind of brings in a little bit more rain on the backside of this for 7, and then 8, 9 o'clock still raining, and then kind of wrapping up as we get later into the night tonight. So I know we have a few evening parades. It's very likely that they're going to be fairly wet. Unless we can get a few more breaks, maybe we'll get those in and out of here. I don't think they're going to be totally dry, but maybe not the heavy rainfall that we're kind of anticipating. Just trying to be as optimistic as possible. Highs upper 60s to lower 70s today, and then by tonight we'll be in the 50s to lower 60s. 7-day forecast, that 100% rain chance during the course of the day, maybe about a 40% early on, then improving conditions as we head into next week. A couple of fronts on the way, one on Monday, and then another one by the end of next week.